Hello, in this video I'm gonna share with you some information about the recommended charger for iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So as you may already know, the power adapter, the charger, is not included inside the box. We can see that from the back of the box that the charger is not included. However, you can also find the information about the recommended charger. It is stated over here that we should use 4.5 to up to 23 watt power adapter. However, of course, you can use something better than that. Essentially, the best way to charge your iPhone is by using the power adapter made by Apple, as they will be probably most compatible one. I believe you can purchase one by spending like $19 or so, and on the Apple website, so it's not that bad. I would say it could be cheaper, definitely, especially for only 20 watts. This is not that much, so alternatively you can use a different charger. For instance, I use Xiaomi charger that is pretty cheap, and it is also stronger. It has, I think, 33 watt, and it works just well. I can charge it. It's not that fast to charge iPhone 16 Pro, but it does the job. So instead of using, for instance, the computer in order to charge your iPhone, you can get the power adapter instead. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!